Hey, good morning. I wanted to show you all real quick what you can do with the Father's Day Scene Creator. This right here for the coloring books, Father's Day edition. You're going to get a lot of good stuff when you get this. I'm going to open it up. I've already done this video that you can see actually on the page, on the sales page here. But I want to re-download it real quick so you can see what you get. My computer is being a little bit stubborn. I hope you're having a wonderful day. And my fan's going to decide to cut on. I know you can't see my screen yet, but what I was doing. Okay, so here you're going to get the Canva templates, PowerPoint, and Google Drive. We're going to start with the Canva templates because I'm going to add the cover for you. I'll add both the one-page cover and the cover that I just got through creating, except for I want to do the one second here. This one, along with the one-page one. Well, that'd be after everything's straightened up there, of course. And then I meant to click on uploads for you. You can just drag and drop these over here. Yeah, we won't do that one. We'll make it line up for you in just a moment. I'm just going through to choose the best ones here. Like it makes sense on the cover for the superhero dad. Okay. Oh, here's another superhero. Okay. Alright, I'll make it look better than that on the back. I just want to show you guys exactly what you get and what you can do with the Father's Day Scene Creator, which is a lot because you'll get 150 picks here that you can mix and match and make your own coloring books. I've got several kind of lined up at this point. But what you can do, if you want to even make like a lead magnet for your email list, you can do that, or whatever you wish to do. Some people do sell it as like a 10 or 15 page coloring pack. We'll just say 10 just for the sake of time here. Oh, that's the last page. Okay, so let's start at when they come in. Well, you'll have it in a different scene there. Okay. You can do like that, or if you want to take a shortcut here, that I'm going to do just for the sake of time on this video, because I've got some really good ones in the beginning there. So we're going to stop at, let's see, we'll just go ahead and wanted to find another one that actually went with that set that I like. Okay, we've got superhero. Since we're going with a superhero theme, we'll stick with a superhero theme. And okay, that one stops on 15. Just trying to see if there is one more in the superhero. And not really superhero, but makes a little bit more sense than having that one there. Alright, so then you've got the 1 through 15. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to grab the coffee cup. You don't have to do it like this here. You can watch the other video to see what all we have. Of course, it didn't delete it the second that I clicked it. Did that one, but you're supposed to be able to come through here and click on, let's just say, okay, there we go. We can delete the 138 pages. I've already made a copy of it there. So if you just wanted a quick and a small little coloring pack, you could do that. You could include a cover if you wanted to. I'm going to add it for you guys and have it included. Set image as background. I did show how you could delete in this little last video the little spots on their cheeks if you don't like that, and then you can come through here and add your text. Superhero Dad. We're going to make it to where it's legible. I'll go ahead and increase the size. That is my superhero, something like that. Be super cute. If you want to make some cards, you can do that as well. I didn't have them do it, but one of my friends' grandkids had grabbed a color picture from one of my very popular coloring books and tore it off the photo. It said happy birthday. He's like 2 years old, something like that. I'm going to go to the chunk. Chunk 5 is my favorite one. Put an H there, that's all. We're going to change it to match the red. Match the red. Not mash. Or if you want the other red, which looks really good. Superhero Dad, or Dad is my superhero. You can do something like that. And it is centered. Okay. And so there you have your color book. You can do a this belongs to page. If you want to add a this belongs to page. And make it that baby blue. You could do that too. Because then I'm just going to save a little bit of time here. Say this belongs to. Is there really two spaces there? There is. I will go back and correct that. I'm going to probably just call that a jumble. Another favorite font for kids for me. I don't know why. It's fun, it's easy to read, yada yada. And then you can click on the line. Sorry, I need more caffeine. Alright, and that makes a really cute lead magnet, or you can sell it like that on Etsy if you want to sell it there as well. You've got that option there. So that is the coloring book, and we'll get into lead magnets later, and then I'll come back and show you guys too how you can make other items with this.